Hello, my name is Ulf Debelius and I'm coming from Marburg, Germany, here to Prince August for two reasons. Because first, I am a history teacher in German high school, and second, I am very interested in casting and painting model metal figures. I started that as a young boy together with my father as a hobby, and came back to it 2 years ago, and that's when I heard from Prince August and their molds, and especially of this great diorama which is here presented, built by one of my countrymen, Andre Rudolph, a few years ago, a diorama of the Battle of Waterloo with about 15,000 figures, hand-cast and hand-painted. And I am here on a short 3-day holiday to watch this diorama, and I also get a lesson in painting figures. And Michael O'Brien here, he gave me a 2-hour lesson in advanced techniques of painting these figures, especially shading, painting eyes, which is one of my difficulties, I admit. And I thank you very much, Michael, because this was very, very helpful, and he took a lot of time to show me all these things and to explain these things, and he also gave me a long explanation to the diorama and to the actions at the Battle of Waterloo. And yeah, thank you very much for that.